Welcome back, everyone. If you're joining us for the first time, we're on a 30-day journey on achieving home ownership. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic, saving for a down payment. It's the first big leap towards owning your dream home. And while it might seem like climbing a mountain, I'm here to show you how to make it manageable and achieve home ownership. So let's get started and turn those home ownership dreams into reality. All right, so the down payment is what you need in order to purchase a home. A down payment is part of the home's price that you pay upfront through your loan, but with your own savings. Let's just say if you put, 20% down on a $100,000 home, that's $20,000 from your pocket. This reduces the amount you need to borrow to $80,000, making your mortgage smaller and more manageable. Many first-time home buyers, though, they don't do 20%. They do a lot less. And there are programs that allow for, 3.5% and even 0% for some loans. On an FHA mortgage, instead of 20%, you only need 3.5%, which is $3,500, or conventional requires a minimum contribution of 3%, which is, just $3,000. Saving for a down payment matters. Money that meets the lender's requirements, it's a commitment to your future self, it reduces your long-term costs and it helps you secure a better term. I look at it like this. It's a test of financial discipline, right? Proving to lenders and yourself that you're responsible for home ownership. Let's talk about some strategies that you can use to save for a down payment, because this tends to be, where most individuals struggle when they're looking to purchase a home. The first thing that you want to do is set clear goals. Knowing exactly how much you need to save is the first step. Now, obviously, this is going to depend on your target home price, the loan type you're aiming for. I suggest using some online calculators to play numbers and set a solid, achievable goal. That's a great way to get started. You can also leave a comment below and look at those and help you kind of come up with some goals for your budget as well. Then whatever that number is, you want to break that down into either a monthly or even a weekly saving target, because the way to eat an elephant is one bite at a time. Take a magnifying glass to your finances. Where does your money go every month? Identify areas that you can cut back, like dining out, subscriptions that you rarely use, luxury items that you can buy that can wait. Every dollar that you save, just think to yourself, is a step closer to your home. Now, you may need to increase your income. Look for ways to boost your income, which could be asking your job for a raise. I've literally had people do this, okay? Taking on freelance work or turning a hobby into a side hustle where you're charging people for some things. Consider selling items on Facebook that you no longer use. Every bit helps to fill your down payment fund. Another thing you can do is set up automatic savings when you get paid, making your saving effortless by setting up transfers dedicated to a savings account. Treat your savings like a bill that you must pay each month. This will ensure that you're constantly building your down payment without having to even think about it. And you don't even have to look at it when you do it. Another thing that people don't know is that you can get gifts. There are down payment assistance programs that may be available in your area. So many are designed for first-time home buyers. And obviously, we know that this can help make that goal get here a lot quicker. You can also ask your family and friends for gifts for your down payment, okay? Those with a longer time frame, maybe you want to be a little bit more aggressive in, investing some of your money, but just remember, obviously, that investing, comes with a layer of risk. And so, I'm not a financial advisor. Speak with someone if you decide to do that. I want to hear from you. What are some ways that you are saving towards home ownership? What are some challenges you're facing in your savings for your down payment? Do you have any tips that you're doing that have worked for you? Share your stories in the comment section below. Let's create a community of support over the next 30 days and advice that we all can use to navigate this journey together. And for a bit of inspiration, let me tell you a quick story. So I had a couple actually, who I met last year who are ready to buy this year. They set up a budget very strictly, kept that budget, followed the rules of that budget. They took on some extra work, saved their tax refunds and bonuses, and taught themselves that, they could do this, right? And now they're ready to buy a home. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about the pre-approval process for mortgages. You'll learn what lenders are looking for, how to prepare your finances, and how getting pre-approved sets you up for success in the home buying process. Most realtors want a pre-approval letter in the first place, so it's an episode that you don't want to miss. Thanks for spending part of your day with me again. And remember, saving for a down payment is the first step in the journey that leads to the front door of your new home. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support will help us reach others just like you. See you on the next video.